Let's do a quick unboxing of Samsung Galaxy A17. So let's get right into it. Let's open the box and let's see what we can find inside. Of course, over here we have our phone. We're gonna move into our phone later, but first let's take a look at the paper box that we have inside. There we go, let's remove it. Let's put this to the side. And over here we have our paper box. At the back here we have the eject tool that we need to use to open the SIM tray. And now let's unpack this box over here and let's see what we can find inside of it. Of course, we will most likely find some default stuff like some papers, the USB-C cable, of course, and yeah, a bunch of papers like the quick start guide and some other stuff, warranty, and so on. So nothing really interesting. So the only thing that is quite interesting is the, of course, USB cable and the eject tool that we have at the back of the box. So now let's move on to the phone itself. I'm gonna show you how it looks like and let's get right into it. And there we go. Here is our phone. This is how it looks like. So let's take a look. It has a beautiful blue color. I picked the blue one. On the right side, we have our buttons, the power button and two volume buttons. On the left side, we have the SIM tray. At the top, there is just one hole, which I assume is the microphone. And at the bottom, we have another microphone, the charging port or USB-C port, and a little speaker. At the back, 3 cameras in total, and the flashlight, of course. And that's it. The color looks really beautiful, and the phone looks, in general, quite simple. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like, and subscribe.